almost November, almost Christmas, but before that we have Halloween, and I just realized I need to do a pumpkin carving with power tools. I've seen people do it with Milwaukee, I've seen people do it with Ryobi. Haven't seen anyone do it with DeWalt. Of course, I'm gonna do it with DeWalt. I can't even talk, it's getting really cold. Of course, I was out kind of last minute shopping, and this is the only pumpkin I could find. It's a little bit smaller than you would usually go for, but hey, let's try it out. Also, we're gonna make this one flammable, or not flammable, it's gonna burn. I actually bought some flammable stuff we're gonna put inside. Carving first, burning later. Let's go! There we go, one terrified pumpkin. The facial expression is pretty spot on for what we're gonna do to him. So I'm just gonna stuff him with a little bit of, let's use this one as well. Stuff him with some cloth, and guess what I bought? I bought kerosene. So let's go ahead and give him a small little dash of that. Let's fire him up. Thank you for watching and happy Halloween. See you in the next one.